Imagine a visitor entering your innovation space with a business challenge but no clear idea where to begin. Within 2 minutes, they receive a personalized next step, and your organization gains a qualified lead that can become a registration, client, or a long-term partnership. Hello, colleagues. My name is Tassos. I am the founder and CEO of JOIST Innovation Park in Larissa, Greece. We have created the Future Techbox to help innovative organizations to convert physical visitors' engagement into a measurable impact. The Future Techbox is a compact, experiential innovation capsule. Technologies such as VR, AR, and 3D printing attract attention and invite people to engage. But technology is only the starting point. Through a simple assessment, the Future Techbox understands what each visitor needs. Based on the results, it recommends the most relevant opportunities, whether funding, training, expert support, an event, or an innovation program. The visitor can then act immediately. Techbox is for entrepreneurs, startups, and business-minded professionals. This makes innovation support clearer, faster, and easier to access. For the host organization, every interaction becomes measurable. So the Future Techbox captures demand, generate qualified leads, support services, and program sales. It also reduces the need for continuous staff assistance. This affiliate model can also create a new revenue stream. Most importantly, the Future Techbox was designed for replication. It needs only 10 square meters, electricity, and a high-speed internet connection. The hardware, software, training, and content management are delivered as one adaptable package by JOIST. You can connect it to your own unique services, opportunities, and local ecosystem. The capsule works in your hub, chamber, university, incubator, or a tech space. It can work anywhere in the world. The Future Techbox is compact in footprint, but expansive in impact. It transforms visitors from passive observers into active participants, helping organizations turn engagement into sustainable value. I, as colleagues, will be honored to have your vote. Let's make innovation easier to discover, easier to access, and easier to act upon.